welcome back, guys. I'm N.R.T. On today's video, we'll be repairing this X380 48-inch lawnmower deck. Our good friends over at Reliable Aftermarket Parts sent us a bunch of parts for it. We got new blades, new spindles, and all new belts. And we also got a plastic chute that we got from Cowlick, or however you pronounce her name, that we'll be putting on this. Use code N.R.T. to save yourself 15% at Reliable Aftermarket Parts, and let's get working on this. I need to get a ratchet. Is that the correct one? Nope, missing the correct one, I believe. On these X380s, you can do one of them. Okay, take that out. Now we are going to do a full disassembly on the deck. We're going to be doing some greasing. Got that. Got that. Okay, there's that other belt. Got that spring. Then from there, we gotta undo this big nut right there. You want to be careful when you're messing with this, because the blade is on this, obviously, and you don't want to get hurt, so don't put your fingers under it. If you have to use a wood block, jam that under it, so you don't hurt yourself. And see where I put my low impact. There it is. I may be able to get this without doing that. We'll see. Okay. Go ahead and get a pry bar. You want to be careful, don't bend the pulleys. Okay. That's the first pulley. Get this big one. The first one. One's being stubborn, son. Gotta go to Deere and get some. The links, deck lift links for the back. Those are missing. Parts of them. Actually, because I'm replacing the spindles, I got a better idea what I can do. Now, I'd only do this if you're replacing the spindles, but you do this. Just like that. Get the last one. Okay, there's the 3 deck spindles. Okay, now we gotta get these. Gotta get those nuts off. What are them? Did some cleaning the other day in the shop. Can find quite a few of my tools now. Always a good day when you find tools. Of course, ain't gonna work. We're gonna try this one. I think this might strip. Hopefully not. We'll see. Go easy on it. Oh no. Use my old trusty bolt then. Keep yourself organized. So far we got no stripped ones, so that's pretty good. Now from there, we are going to go ahead and pull the shield off. Put a cotter pen through here. Okay. So next, but here's the spindles right here, and you can see right here where the bearing was starting to let go because of the cap right here. So we'll set all those to the side, and I'll go wash this up, get it all cleaned, and then we'll install them spindles and blades. So fast forward, it's the next day. I went to Deere, I got some parts, I got myself a free hat. Thanks to Deere for that. I got the parts that I needed, got the 2 nuts, got those them bolts, Got them 2 bolts, and got that washer and that. Got all these parts. These are from Deere, and I got some Loctite. We're gonna start putting on them pulleys. I mean, not pulleys, but spindles and the pulleys. We'll begin with this one. These are from my friends at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. Use code N.R.T to save yourself 15%. I got some Loctite because we're gonna Loctite them bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and start on that. I'll start right on this one. Gotta lift the deck up a little. Okay, goes right up. Going to put that like that for now. We're gonna buzz this. We're gonna buzz one of these down real quick, so I can put Loctite on the other one. So then we'll do this one again. Okay, just like that. Got some Loctite 263. Some of these bolts came undone and we don't want that. So we're going to put some Loctite on them. It's like I need to cut the tip off. Okay, tip somewhat off. Whoa, a little much right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, put a nut on each one. These are fairly simple units. Get this deck working right. Four there, okay. Okay, that's all like that. That one is on. Spins very nicely. We're going to grease all these up before we fire it up. So there's that one. Repeat the process 2 more times. And the part number is right here. If you want to know a part number, it's right there. Reliable Aftermarket Parts. Gonna get this X380 looking good, working good. It's basically the same. But I'm gonna do, hopefully I can manage to do this without probably more Loctite than I need. glass. Nuts. Go ahead and bolt it on. Okay. Just like this. Hold this up. Okay, now we're down to our last spindle. Come over there. Then from there we can begin to and then just lift this deck up like that. Set that. Just like that, as you see right there. Hold it up. Put some Loctite on each stud. Just like that. Hold it up. Okay, the spindles are all done. So on the next video we'll be showing you how to install the pulleys and then the belts, and then from there we'll show you how to install the blades. Once again, huge shout out to Reliable Aftermarket Parts for sending these parts out for me to test out and review on the channel and help you, the DIYer, get the job done right. Use code N.R.T to save yourself 15%, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.